What's up, guys? Welcome back to the MSR Workshop. So I have another unboxing for you. I think this one's pretty cool, so stick around. So the unboxing we're going to do is a product that was sent to me for free for review, but all my opinions are my own, and that is the WorkPro, which is a mobile cart. You can use this cart for anything. So we're going to get that unboxed and show you kind of some of the features of it, how durable it looks, how easy it is to put together, and just kind of some of the stuff that you can use it for. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So I have used a number of mobile carts in the past before, so I kind of know what to look for. But this one caught my eye because they do make it in some pretty cool looking colors. So we got the blue one. This is blue anodized, looks like aluminum legs. It's very cool. Go ahead and set those aside. You've got a basic instruction manual, but this should be pretty simple to put together. We have some very sturdy, very stiff top handles for either side. Go ahead and open this guy here. Oh, exactly what I thought it would be. These are your casters. And then you should have your 3 levels. Very durable, not too large, but not too small as well. This one seems to be a little bit heavier duty. And then your last shelf. So your bottom one should have all of your caster points on it. But before we put the casters on, we're going to go ahead and put the supports on. And those should just pop right on. I'm going to grab a piece of wood. So I just grabbed a little block of wood. And we're going to go ahead and tap all of these on here. That one fit nice and easy. And I don't know that it really matters which you put on next, because the 2 next shelves are identical. That looks nice and sturdy. And now your last shelf, and this one's got the logo on top. So obviously we want it facing outward so you guys can see that. So let's put our next set of supports on. And I would recommend putting the supports on first before you put your wheels on, because you don't want it rolling around on you. So once you're done, just go ahead and flip the thing over, put your wheels on, and then you can put your handles on the very last so you're not risking damaging the handles. Very good. Now, if you want it mobile, obviously put your wheels on. If you don't want it mobile and just want a stationary cart on the ground, you can use these. There's some really, really sturdy little shelves. Now, the manual says that each layer should support up to and cue the number on the screen. That much. So if you do look at the instructions, it says gloves, a mallet, some safety glasses are all you need for assembly. There is no flying parts on this. You can wear safety glasses and gloves if you want. I think you'll be very, very safe just using a rubber mallet or a block of wood like I did here, and you'll be perfectly fine and perfectly safe. So let's go ahead and now put our casters on. These should be very simple. They should just, I say very simple. You may have to tap these on as well. And your casters go right on. So let's go ahead and do the rest of these. And very, very good. Rolls very nicely. Does not have a lip on one side, so that does make it nice. And last but not least, we're going to go ahead and put our handles on. And those should just fit right down in there. We're going to go ahead and tap this guy on. Notice I'm putting the handles facing out. That'll give you the maximum amount of capacity on top. We are done. So it seems very sturdy. I'm not a huge guy, but I weigh about 150. And I'm very confident on putting weight on this with no problem. If you guys want to know more about this WorkPro mobile cart, I will make sure to leave a link in the description below. That will take you to my Amazon affiliate website, and that will get me a small discount on all of the sales on this one. Really do like this, and I want to thank WorkPro for sending this to me for review. And if you guys have any comments, questions, or suggestions, or if I left out something on this little unboxing here, be sure and put those below. But until next time, guys, thanks again.